blue and or silver is what I've heard.
And don't sleep on it.
Listen, the issue tonight is everybody's going to be going to bed fairly soon, and then the storms come in the middle of the night, and that's when it's a little bit more tough and also a bit more dangerous. So we just want to let you know we're going to be here all night. We've got a crew set ready to go on the air. I'll be here till 2 o'clock. Mike Taylor comes in. We switch out at 2 o'clock. That's about the time it starts to get pretty busy from this storm out by Chicago. There are tornado warnings on the south side of Chicago and the central part of Chicago and a little edgy north there. The city itself not under a tornado warning right now, but it's knocking on the door coming in from the west with this line. You can see it's very strong. Here's what I think will happen. Two parts of this. The southern part will accelerate and kind of outrun the northern part. That goes down towards Champaign. This is the area right through Chicago that will have an opportunity to get to us as we go along. So the greatest threat, again, is 2 to 6 a.m. Damaging winds, the number one threat. Flooding, number two. Can't rule out some larger hail or the possibility of a tornado. This is a strong, solid line. Sometimes part of it accelerates out ahead or lags behind a little bit, and that speed change we call shear doesn't have to be in the vertical, it can be in the horizontal too, and that's what's making most of the tornadoes spin up around Chicago right now. That could be our issue as well. There'll be less energy overall by the time it gets here. But this is why I put the graphic up here. This little symbol is Storm Shield. Storm Shield app is our corporate app. We've got the Channel 7 app that you can see the radar and everything, but you've got the radar on Storm Shield. And Storm Shield, you program what you want to know about. So you put in tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings, flash flood warnings tonight, and if one comes to your area, as long as your phone is powered on, it will beep, it'll wake you up and tell you what's going on, and that's important on a night like this when everybody's going to bed. Winds threat is higher than normal. Wind speeds could go 60, maybe 70 with some of these storms as well. Flash flooding is higher potentially than normal around here. It won't be a ton of rain in one spot because it's moving fast, the storm is, but it'll come down very, very heavy and could produce some localized flooding. Hail to an inch, and again, a tornado or two, not out of the question in those early morning hours. Flood watch, northern suburbs also washed it out, Wayne County until 8 o'clock in the morning. We had a lot of rain in some of those areas today. A little bit more will make the runoff go. So here's midnight coming across the lake, 2 o'clock Jackson to Lansing, and then 4 o'clock in Detroit, 6 o'clock it's done. It happens just that fast, but again, it could be quite dangerous. Maybe a few leftovers in the morning north and in the afternoon, but that would not be severe. So 86 tomorrow. The severe threat is early in the morning. After that, it's about a 30% chance for a shower or storm. Wednesday, maybe a shower, but look at the cooler, dry air coming in. Fantastic weather Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Wow. Thank you, Dave.